The overall goal of the following experiment is to conduct minimal erythema dose testing in order to determine the lowest dose of ultraviolet radiation that will cause erythema when administered to an individual. This is achieved by first preparing the light source and participant for UV exposure. As a second step, the participant is exposed to UV for varying durations which may cause erythema, also known as sunburn. Next, changes in skin color are assessed in order to determine the minimal erythema dose. Results are obtained that show variation in skin darkening across exposure times of individuals based on visual inspection and spectrophotometry.
My name is Susan Darlow. I'm a postdoctoral fellow in the laboratory of Dr. Carolyn Heckman. Demonstrating the procedure will be Teja Munshi, a research assistant in Dr. Heckman's lab. I will be demonstrating the research participant role.
Begin this procedure by explaining to the participant how minimal erythema dose, or MED, testing works.
So I'm going to expose some skin of your skin to UV light for almost 20 minutes. And tomorrow we are going to check the section of the skin to see how sensitive you are to the light. You may experience burn in some parts of that skin which was exposed to UV. And if it is painful, you can treat like any other sunburns you would have.
Once the procedure has been explained, both the staff and participant put on UV protective glasses. Then, expose the forearm of the participant. Next, remove the Davlin patch backing on the left and right sides of the patch and place it on the inner lower arm. Avoid any existing skin blemishes when placing the patch. Have the participant put on a protective glove. Cover any additional skin on the arm with the participant.